Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to set up Instagram shopping with Shopify. So let's get started. First what you have to do is you guys will open up your Shopify admin and you will get right here. So we need to connect our Instagram shopping to our Shopify. So it's really easy to do. You guys need to go to your apps here and open up your Shopify app store. Here you are going to search for Instagram. It will open up different results for us, and here you can actually check out that different providers provide Instagram shop and Facebook shop. You can see this one right here. Then we have Instagram shopping. So these are third party tools that provide Instagram shopping, but the best tool that you need to go for is going to be Facebook, because we know Meta, Facebook and Instagram, when we create a business on Instagram, we are actually managing it through our Meta business suite. So it's better if you go with Facebook. So you just need to click on a Facebook channel and you will connect your Facebook channel to your Shopify. That means we are also connecting our Instagram business, our Instagram shop, to our Shopify. So you can see, for me, I have already installed the app, but you will click on add app and then add Facebook channel to your Shopify. You can see it's showing Facebook because again, Facebook and Instagram shops are powered by Meta. Now you need to go to your Shopify, go to your settings, click on apps and sales channel, open up Facebook and connect it. So I have already connected it, and you can see I have connected my Facebook business, my Instagram shop to my Shopify. And this is how you can also go ahead and connect your Meta business suite, your Instagram shop to Shopify. So I hope this was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.